Unraveling Dispersion, the spread of data in statistics. Hello and welcome to today's lesson on measures of dispersion in descriptive statistics. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge of how data can spread out in a dataset. This understanding is critical, especially if you're preparing for the GMAT or GRE. Let's jump right in. In statistics, when we talk about dispersion, we are referring to how spread out the numbers in a dataset are. Imagine two basketball teams. Team A scores very consistently with each game, while Team B's scores fluctuate a lot. Even if both teams have the same average score, Team B has a higher dispersion because its scores are more spread out. Knowing just the average or mean of a dataset doesn't give the full picture. Measuring dispersion gives us insight into the variability or consistency of the data. For instance, in business, a product with consistent sales is different from one with fluctuating sales, even if the average is the same. There are several ways to measure dispersion in statistics. Here are the main ones. 1. Range, the difference between the highest and lowest values. 2. Variance, a measure of how data points differ from the mean. It's essentially the average of the squared differences from the mean. 3. Standard deviation, the square root of variance. It's one of the most common measures of dispersion because it's in the same units as the data. When you come across a set of data and need to determine its spread, start with these steps. 1. Calculate the mean of the data set. 2. For variance, compute the squared difference of each data point from the mean, add them up, and then divide by the number of data points. 3. To find the standard deviation, simply take the square root of the variance. 4. The range is straightforward. Just subtract the smallest value from the largest one. By understanding and calculating these measures, you'll have a much clearer idea of how data behaves in a dataset, which is invaluable in many fields, including business, science, and of course, test preparation. That wraps up our exploration into measures of dispersion. Remember, getting a deep understanding of how data spreads can offer tremendous insights beyond just the average. We hope this video was enlightening. Best of luck with your GMAT or GRE preparation, and happy studying!